Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something that's bound to elevate your iPad experience: the ZAGG Rugged Book iPad case with a detachable magnetic-hinged keyboard. This is not your ordinary iPad case and keyboard combo, folks. Let's dive straight into what makes it so special. First off, compatibility. This versatile case works with a range of Apple devices, including the iPad Air 3, the 10.2 iPad, and the iPad Pro 10.5. It's designed to fit like a glove. Now, check out this magnetic hinge. It's not just a stand, it securely holds your tablet and allows you to adjust the viewing angle for maximum productivity. Talk about versatility, but what truly sets this keyboard apart is the typing experience. The ergonomic Pro keyframe design provides smooth, precise key travel for lightning-fast, accurate touch typing. And with 7 colors of backlighting, you can type comfortably even in low light conditions. Now, let's talk durability. The ZAGG Rugged Book is built tough, with a combination of polycarbonate and soft silicone materials. It's designed to protect your precious iPad from scratches and scuffs, and it's even military-grade tested for drops up to 6.6 feet. That's some serious protection. Wait, there's more. With Bluetooth multi-device pairing, you can connect up to 2 devices simultaneously. Whether it's your iPad and your phone or 2 different iPads, switching between them is a breeze. Plus, there are forward-facing speaker cutouts and a holder for your Apple Pencil or stylus. Battery life is always a concern, but not with the Rugged Book. Its rechargeable battery keeps you going for up to 2 years between charges. Of course, battery life depends on the duration and backlight usage. And it even has a sleep-wake function to help preserve battery when the keyboard is not in use. To sum it up, the ZAGG Rugged Book is your portable workstation. It's compatible with multiple iPad models, offers fantastic typing comfort with backlit keys, and provides military-grade protection for your device. Need to use your iPad without the keyboard? And speaking of versatility, the multi-device pairing feature lets you connect and toggle between 2 devices seamlessly. Perfect for when you're multitasking. Adjusting your screen is a breeze, thanks to the magnetic hinge that allows for multiple viewing angles. It's like having a mini laptop wherever you go. Lastly, those backlit, laptop-style keys are a game-changer. You can type comfortably, even in dimly lit environments, and choose from 7 different colors to suit your style. So, there you have it, folks. The ZAGG Rugged Book iPad case with a detachable magnetic-hinged keyboard. Your iPad deserves the best, and this accessory delivers on all fronts. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech-savvy.